what's up. All right, my dude. I don't know you, man. Introduce yourself, man. What's going on?
I am Gary. I run a channel called Geminiautomotive. I'm a small YouTube, just started not too long ago. I have some pretty good content, so stay tuned.
Yeah, I was checking out this channel earlier. Okay. Yeah, I like that logo there, man. That's nice. What size wrenches are those right now, man?
Hey, look, they cartoon size. They can be any size.
Okay, so
adjustable, non-adjustable.
Non-adjustable, adjustable. You down with the short? Let me see. Are you doing any shorts too? Are you a shorts guy? Okay.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of shorts lately, man. Actually.
Oh, that's what's up.
I'm having technical difficulties with my phone, so that's all I've been able to do lately is shorts.
Oh, it's shorts. What you film with a camera, using the camera and all that?
I got trusty dusty Android folding one.
Okay, that's my buddy speaking to you. Let's see.
Hey, how you doing, Eric Emotion?
As far as video, I see you on the Snap-on show from time to time. Are you one of those hardcore?
Man.
Wait a minute. Don't tell me you're one of those hardcore, in-depth, about $20,000 Snap-on guys. Is that true, man? That can't.
Ooh, so I'll give you some good information. I am tool truck bill free. All my tools are paid for. But
that's a but.
5 or 6 years ago, yes, I'm definitely Snap-on negative $10,000 plus guy for sure.
Okay, yeah, guys. For the record, I have nothing against the tool trucks. So let me put that out there. I don't want y'all thinking. I know some of my videos will show me in Harbor Freights and things like that. I have nothing against the tool guy. Okay, it's back to 2014 Jeep Cherokee with that one. 0137. I don't know that one by heart. What's that code? What the fuck is that? Yeah, you asking me what it is.
Yeah, look, I'm up here like, what is it too?
Some of these codes I know by heart, but
P0137. Wow,
yeah, what
like that's something with lean or something being lean.
And if it's a 2.4 Jeep Cherokee, chances are it's got the 2.4 multi-air.
That's 02 sensor code.
Oh, lean or rich or something like that. Circuit.
Sensor circuit low voltage.
Philip, you saying it's back? You saying you replaced it and it came back for the same code? What do you do at that point? You got to also keep in mind that's a 2014, which means that computer pretty sophisticated, and it could also have some updates on it. You know, I don't know how often you guys visit a dealership. I know y'all think the dealership is the enemy. Yeah, Gary, some guys, they call the dealership Stealership. You believe that?
Ooh.
I hear it. I done heard every dog name out by the dealership there is. The damn Stealerships. Man. So some people take it as the enemy, but in reality, you need to visit every now and then. Because what are some of the things, Gary, they're going to check automatically if you go into the dealership?
Man, as soon as you come into the dealership, a multi-point inspection includes like a full-blown look over of the car. Anything that we see that's visually like damaged or needs to be replaced. And that's actually free to you guys. Most shops don't do that. They only look for what they want to fix and try to upsell you and keep it moving. So
yeah. And another thing, they're going to automatically run your VIN, which would tell them if there's any recalls, for instance. The average that 2014 got some serious recalls on it if you haven't been to a dealership in a while.
Right.
Yeah, and one of the recalls I know is a flash update, which may change some programming in your computer that may address that. Who knows? You know, you just don't know until you. My point is, the dealership is not the enemy, guys. Okay, it's just a different outlet for the independent guys that are not able to do what it is. What really sets apart an independent shop from a dealer, I want to say tools, but now they just is because they can buy subscription. They can also acquire the same tools that mechanics at the dealership use. So maybe the only difference between an independent mechanic and a dealer mechanic is training. I don't know. What you think? Maybe the training, they got in-depth training.
We have way more in-depth training.
Yeah, on a specific car.
Yeah, but we also, like you said, we have the tools and we have the factory tools and the specialty tools. So it's like Oh man, $1,200 for an
Right.
alternator.
Look, this is the same guy. That's why I say about
Marquis.
dealerships is not that bad. Just about mostly all FCA alternators may be recalled. So you might be spending money for nothing because you scared to go visit the dealership. Yeah. So yeah, I just did a video on a cat converter that turned out to be a recall. Lady came in with a chicken and light. Yeah. So y'all can't be sleeping on your trusted friend. What is this? Recall new cat and O2. Yes, I just thought Turbo Tom is a dealer guy too.
Okay.
So on that very same car that Philip III talking about, there is a recall on the cat.
The car is back. It's just one problem after another. It's only got just under 90,000 on the ticket. Oh man,
dude.
So is he actually diagnosing this car? Or is he a customer that's trying to diagnose his own car?
Yeah, Philip working on it. I think Philip. I think
is he at a dealership or something?
He's not at a dealer. Okay. But there is a maniverter. Is that what they call it?
Yeah, maniverter on like the 2.4 multi-airs.
Yeah, you get 2 new O2 sensors with that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, do you? On that recall last time I did that, I think it was just the cat with
the maniverter.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
I know
on the other 2.4, the World engine, you get O2 sensors and the cat.
Yeah, that's the one I did yesterday.
Yeah.
I think if I'm not mistaken, I think that maniverter recall but the one you mentioned just a few minutes ago, you also have to flash that one to account for all the changes that you just did. Yeah. But Philip, it's a recall on that, man.